The first question under this laws of indices or whatever we call it. This one, once they are five and five, you pick a single five, then you add the powers together, and this will become that 5 raised to power 8. Then the second one is the same thing, okay? Raised to power 5 plus 2, and this will become 5 raised to power 7. Then the third one is the same thing, the powers are 2 plus 5. What do you say?
Sir, the one you should be doing, please,
No, don't
is
worry,
that
don't
number
worry,
two.
don't worry, don't worry. We're gonna do everything, okay? So, and this one, 5 raised to power 2, is not the same as 4 raised to power 5. So definitely we can't use that method. So we still have our 5 square and our 4 raised to power 5, okay?
Okay, sir.
So the only thing we can do is to simply say, what does 5 square mean? And that'll be 25, okay?
Okay, sir.
And what does 4 raised to power 5 mean? So that means we're saying 4 times 4, that's 16, times 4, that's in three places, that's 64, times 4, that's 256, and times 4, that is 1000 to 1024, okay? Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Then if we now multiply this finally by 25, then we're going to have 25,600. 25,600. So you can see that it's not always like that. And the same thing with the other one that say four square foot. Okay, this one they are both four square, so you can pick a four and you can add the powers. Okay,
Okay,
that'll be
sir.
4 raised to power 7. So let me see if I can move this one by one, like this one, and this is the solution here, so that you don't mix it up. Then this second one, number two, and this is the solution here. Are you seeing this? Are you
Yes,
seeing?
sir.
Yeah. So number three, um, this is the solution. And for the fourth one, number four, and the solution becomes this one.
Sir.
Yeah. So this one is the solution to the fourth one. While the number five, I'm hearing you. Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me, okay? So can you hear
Sorry,
me?
can you hold on?
Okay, okay. You want to do something? Yeah, I'm gonna hold it for you. Let's see. Okay, so uh, this is number one. Let's see, number one, and this is number two, or this is number three. This is number four and number five. Okay, can you hear
Sir,
me?
that is actually number one.
Um, no, I just renumbered them. Okay, is that clear?
Sir, but I already wrote it.
Okay, you mean you've written that, right? It does the number doesn't matter. Can you see the solution?
Yes, sir.
And that is what matter, okay? So just make sure you concentrate. I would rather prefer you stop writing and you listen.
I just started.
No, don't write yet. You know we have not finished solving it, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Just don't write for now. I can still see you writing. That's why I'm saying don't write. That's why I'm waiting for you to concentrate first. Okay?
I'm done. Yes,
Now,
sir.
to the sixth one, here is what we have. We have, they are the same, so this is 4. The first 4 is raised to the power of 1. The second one is to the power of 5. Then we have the final answer to be 4 raised to the power of 5. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So to the next one, which is the same approach unless we encounter something different. So let's see, that's number 7. So for number 7, we have 4 and 4. So that is the same 4, but 3 plus 5. That would be 4 raised to power 8. Then the next question anyway, whether what number it is, doesn't matter. So this one, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Number 8. So for the eighth one, we have 4 and 4 again. But this time around, 3 plus negative 5 will give us a negative 2. Okay, negative 2. And according to the law of indices, we can say this is 1 over 4 squared, which is finally 1 over 16. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me solve one more before I ask you to write them down. This one,
So
why did what?
where did you get that one?
Because you were not listening and you were writing. I said don't write, but you think I don't
Oh,
know.
all right.
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, okay? So this is gonna be
Okay.
number 9. Yeah. So let's do this one, then I'll go back to that other explanation. So this is still, are you looking at the screen now? Because I can see like a movement. So this is 4 raised to power negative 3 plus 5. And negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. So this is 4 squared, which is the same thing as 16. Now you remembered when I was showing you the laws of indices, you remember that I stated something like, hold on, let me move this thing a bit away from this one. Yeah, I stated something like if you have 1 over a, it's the same thing as a raised by minus 1. Or if you have a raised by minus 1, it's the same thing as 1 over a raised by 1. This is part of the laws of indices. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then, given that we have 4 raised by minus 2, can you see it here?
Yes, sir.
Then we can say this is 1 over 4 raised by 2. Then that is 1 over, because we remove the minus, okay?
Okay, sir.
So that is how to do such when you encounter it. We're still going to see more of such as we progress. So put down this question 1 to 9 and their solution, then we continue. We'll move on to solve this other question. So as for this page, probably okay because the next one, the previous one was 9. So let me just call this one 10. For the question 10, we have this. Let's see. And what we have there, they are both 4s. So 4, then minus 3 plus another minus 5. This is going to give me 4 raised to power negative 8. Then I can simplify further as 1 over 4 raised to power 8. If I am required to break it down, not as index form, then I'm going to have to multiply 4 in 8 places, okay?
Okay, sir.
So if I multiply 4 in 8 places, it's going to give me 65,536. That is 1 over, okay? 1 over 65,536. Like, say, 1 over 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. I want to do something there. Copy this. So then the next one, number 11. Let's see. So we have this, which is the same thing with what we just finished solving, but it's, I mean, the same power, different figures. So this is 3 raised to power minus 3 plus minus 5. And this is going to be 3 raised to power minus 8, which is 1 over 3 raised to power 8. So right now, I can say 1 over whatever 3 raised to power 8 gives me. So if I want to get 3 raised to power 8, that is 3 in 8 places. Okay? And this will be 6,561. 6,561. Okay. Then the next one, number 12. We have 3 raised to power 5. I mean, 3 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 5. So we just pick one and add the powers, right?
Yes.
3 plus 5. And this is going to be 3 raised to power 8, which is just the same as what we have found here, 6, 5, 6, 1. And to the next one, number 13. So we have both of them to be negative 3. So negative 3 raised to power 3 plus 5. This will be negative 3 raised to power 8. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the only difference between this and the first one is that they both have negative. Since it is even power, your final answer is going to be positive and not negative. But if it is odd power, you have a negative here, okay,
Okay, sir.
as the final answer to this particular stuff. Because that is like minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 until you multiply in 8 places, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now the next one, let's see. Let me rule this page in. Okay, so this one is number 14. For number 14, we have this. So here we have the same 3, but we are adding power. So 3 raised to power zero point 0.3 plus zero point 0.5. And this is going to be 3 raised to power zero point 0.8. Okay,
Okay, sir.
then the next one, which is number 15,
Uh-uh.
1, 5. We have this.
I need
So
all those things.
the
What
next
do you know?
question here, we have 3 raised to power 1 over 3 times another 3 raised to power 1 over 5. So this is 1 over 3, then you add up the power 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5. So the LCM of your power is 15. So that is 3 here 5, then 5 here 3. So this is finally 3 raised to power 8 over 15. Then number 16. So we have this one, which is just A and A, but the bases are 3. So we have this equals to 3 raised to power A plus A, and this is 3 raised to power 2A. And number 17, 17, 1, 7 dot. So we have 3 raised to power A times 3 raised to power B. So we pick one of the three again. Then we have the powers 3 raised to power A plus B. So this time around, we can't add A and B. We leave it this way. This is the final answer. Unmute yourself and let me know. Is that clear? So can you hear me? Unmute yourself and let me know if that is clear to you. Number 18. Unmute yourself and let me know if that is clear. I can't hear you if you're talking.
So I was not talking.
I mean, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then this one, you're gonna pick one of them that you had. Oh, you can't pick them. Okay? Because they are not
Yes,
the same. It is A and B, not A and A. Are you with me?
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, it's A and A, so we can't pick them. So what we can rather do, because they have the same power, we can just combine the power. So A, B raised to power 3, and that's all. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then the second to the last one, number 19.
So,
Yes.
so if it is now raised to power a raised to power 3, then times b raised to power 4. So you just write ab, then
If it is
that.
uh, A and B, power 3 and 4, you add up the powers, okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I mean, if it is A and A, rather, 3 and 4 and the power on the power, so you just add up. But if they are not the same, you leave it, you cannot multiply them, okay?
Okay,
One
sir.
is A, the other one is B, so we can't pick one to represent them. They are two different entities. Okay? Are you getting that?
Yes,
So
sir.
this one, they are the same A's, so you can pick one of them and add the powers. Then this will be A raised to power 6. And finally, number 20, before you write them down, 20, we have this one here. That is 1 over A and another 1 over A raised to power 3. So since they are both 1 over A, we're going to say this is 1 over A raised to power 3 plus 3, okay? And this is 1 over A raised to power 6. And we can say this is 1 raised to power 6, okay, which is 1. Then A raised to power 6. Then finally A raised to power minus 6. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Based on the law I explained before. So A raised to power minus 6. Okay, I'll give you some time to put this down before I give you something to try.